Jean. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button for me and the notification bell. If you are a current subby, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing 2 PR unboxings, and I'm really excited because these are major brands sold at Sephora. And speaking of which, I am a Sephora Squad finalist, and they're announcing the winners tomorrow, the official squad of 2021. I'm so excited. But just to piggyback, if you are unfamiliar with my content, if this is your first time seeing me, I became a Sephora Squad finalist about a month ago, and it is a year-long paid partnership for beauty content creators. So no matter what happens tomorrow, I just want to say thank you to every single person who have sent testimonials on my behalf. You took time out of your busy schedules to support me. And when I tell people all the time, it costs nothing to support me, okay? You don't have to pay for nothing. You don't have to do anything. But I just want to say thank you to every single person who believes in me. You guys are phenomenal. And to be quite honest with you, I've been going through a lot lately. I've just been kind of up and down, you know. So I might open up about that in another video. I'm not sure. But your testimonials have definitely lifted my spirit, and I'm so grateful to you guys. And it shows that I'm doing something right, because I love what I do, being a beauty influencer and an advocate for the alopecia community. At the end of the day, my purpose is for you. It's not meant for me to keep this, okay? So once again, thank you for your support, your love, your prayers, encouragement. God bless every single person who has sent testimonials. I don't know every single person, but for those of you who were kind enough to share them with me on social media, thank you again so very much. I love you. Mwah. God bless. Let's get into this PR unboxing. Okay, so the first box I have is from Briogeo. I know it's a little dirty because it came in the mail and stuff, but that's okay. Listen, the packaging is beautiful, okay? And it shows the logo right here in the front. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Briogeo, it is a Black-owned, yes, Black-owned, please go support, hair care line at Sephora and other retailers. Now, before y'all start going off in the comments, let me just say this right now. I know for a fact, I am well aware that I do not have hair, okay? Because you're probably thinking to yourself, Ebony, you're bald. Why do you need hair care products? So listen, they make shampoos, conditioners, also scalp care, okay? Scalp care is just as important. So hopefully I'll be able to try some of their scalp products really soon, because that is what I love. Listen, I get flakes up here, dandruff, just as much as y'all do. And my scalp itches, especially when I have new grown hair. So there's a little bit of hair coming in at the top and around my crown area. But that's the ins and outs of alopecia. That's just how it is. So usually I wash my scalp whenever I'm in the shower and things. But anywho, Briogeo is a great brand. And let's check out what they sent me. This is their packaging. This says recycled and recyclable. So this, oh, this is so adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at that. Their packaging is everything. Okay, so it says introducing Briogeo Superfoods Mango and Cherry Balancing Shampoo Conditioner, 6 free hair care. That means no harsh sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, no phthalates. I think that's how you pronounce it. Listen, if I totally butchered that word, I apologize. No DEA, no artificial dyes. And it just explains the ingredients, which are very clean and natural. This is also a part of Sephora's Clean Beauty initiative, which I absolutely love, because I'm getting more into clean beauty. So that can mean hair care products, makeup, skincare, all of that. So the ingredients include mango extract and juice, cherry extract, and papaya enzymes. So this has vitamin C, E, mango juice extract, and the enzymes helps to balance the oil production in your scalp. And the cherry extract is rich in antioxidants. You know, if you eat cherries, then you should know all this stuff. But It has vitamin C, which will promote healthy hair and things like that. They wrote me a letter. Okay. This says, greetings. Juice up your clean routine and feed your hair a daily dose of superfoods with our new Superfoods Mango and Cherry Balancing Shampoo and Conditioner. Inspired by nourishing juices and smoothies, this healthy hair duo is rich with antioxidants, vitamins, and fruits to help balance oil production for healthy looking hair and scalp. I hope you love this launch as much as I do. Lots of love, Mary. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. You see all the pictures in the bag. I just love this. Like, the packaging is everything. So, let's open it. And I love the sticker that's on this. It says, the sticker on this says, feed your hair superfoods. I'm telling you, it's the packaging. One thing that I love about packaging, or one thing I love about these brands is how innovative they are when it comes to packaging. Plus, it matches my outfit. So, this is the Balancing Conditioner, Balancing Shampoo. And I love how they're shaped like juice bottles. Like how you would buy the Naked juices and the Boathouse Farms smoothies and stuff, the juices and everything. Like, it is the bomb, okay? But yeah, so I'm opening the flaps. And this is the Mango Cherry Balancing Conditioner. It's like a smoothie. Okay, so this is the conditioner. I haven't even opened the top part of this yet, and I can smell it. Ooh. Oh, this smells so good. I'm shaking this up like I'm getting ready to drink it. And here is the Superfoods shampoo. So I'm going to open this. Oh, it kind of leaked at the top a little bit. That's okay though. Whew. That smells incredible. Now, a fun fact about me, I love citrus fruits. I love tropical fruits. Mango is one of my absolute favorite fruits of all time. So I'm definitely going to be getting a kick out of this. I'll post a review somewhere on my Instagram. If you're not following me already, please follow my personal page and my beauty page. Okay, so the retail value of the shampoo conditioner duo is $49 in the US and $60 in Canada. So yeah, definitely go check this out and tell them that I sent you. Here is my stuff from Herbivore, which is another clean beauty brand at Sephora. Wow. Look at all that paper. Okay, here's the card that they sent me. It says, congrats on your incredible journey as an SS finalist, Sephora Squad. We're always rooting for you. Keep slaying the game, XO Herbivore. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay, so this, the Pink Cloud Creamy Jelly Cleanser. This is a top seller at Sephora. And I've seen a lot of girls use this on Instagram, so I cannot wait to try it. I'm going to squeeze out just a tiny bit because I really don't want to waste product. So it's just a jelly consistency, a jelly texture. And it lathers up very quickly. I like it, I like it. And it comes with this fold out description of the product, all the ingredients. It's like a mini poster. It's so cute. Okay, so right here it lists all the ingredients. So just a few to name off. It has sugarcane glycolic acid, which helps making the skin texture softer and just revealing its softer appearance overall. The bilberry lactic acid is known as the most gentle AHA. If AHA means alpha hydroxy acids, so alpha hydroxy and beta hydroxy helps to improve skin clarity and the texture by slowing away dead skin cells and clearing pores. And its blend of acids are all natural from vitamin-rich fruits and plants. Listen, I'm here for it, okay? Period. I love anything that's going to give my skin that radiant glow, especially since we're getting closer to summertime. I need all of the oil. I need all of the pigmentation, okay? It's the melanin for me. Okay, so sugar maple tartaric acid helps to maintain the optimal pH level for the entire blend of AHAs to work most effectively. Willow bark extract BHA, making it effective in removing oils to reduce the appearance of pores. Okay. So yeah, I am looking forward. I'm looking forward to trying this stuff. It comes with the Scoopy. And oh, look at this. This is so gorgeous. Look at that. It's like that lavender pink purple. It's like got that pink purple tint to it. So this is obviously a gel, and it also comes with the Lapis facial oil sample. I'm still getting to know their brand. I don't know everything that Herbivore carries, but sorry, I had a hard time trying to rotate this. But yeah, like I'm still getting to know their brand, and I'm so excited to try out these products. Hyperpigmentation is something I'm really working on. This next one, I'm kind of nervous on pronouncing. The Beautybyebonyjean, I think that's how you pronounce it, Beautybyebonyjean. I'll write it up here. The Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum. Retinol is great, especially for anti-aging. This is something that a lot of people within my age bracket use. I know that I'm only 30, but since I'm in a totally new age group now, I really have to consider adding retinol into my routine. I've been using it since my late 20s. I used to work at Sephora a couple years ago, so I didn't know what retinol was until working there. I appreciate the education along with just getting to know the different products and brands that are being offered. So yeah, this is really good for anti-aging. This is a gentle exfoliator that resurfaces skin to enhance absorption while I can't read. Okay, so the ingredients within this bottle, and it's lavender. Isn't that gorgeous? I love their packaging. Like, this is everything. So it's 100% natural ingredients, synthetic free, beyond clean beauty. Beautybyebonyjean is an ingredient derived from the Ayurvedic babchi plant. Listen, I'm totally messing up these names, and I'm sorry. That functions similarly to retinol, sans redness and irritation, smoothing signs of fine lines and wrinkles to refine skin's appearance. PHA's polyhydroxy acids, a gentle exfoliator that resurfaces skin to enhance absorption while strengthening skin by providing hydration. Tremolo, this superfood mushroom, helps to hydrate and plump skin and retain moisture with its ability to hold up to 500 times its own weight in water. So it says to apply 3 to 8 drops of this on clean skin and massage in as a leave-on treatment. Use daily or as often as needed. And also follow with an SPF. So when I worked at Sephora, they definitely told us if you're wearing any type of retinol, make sure that you put on 8 SPF because you don't want your skin to burn, if that makes sense. So yeah, I will definitely be trying this out in my routine. I've been needing a new serum, and retinol is major in my age group. So, I mean, if you use this in your 20s, that's great too. That is awesome. Honestly speaking, the sooner you start using anti-aging products, the better, because it'll preserve your skin's natural glow and texture. So yeah, the sooner you start taking care of your skin, the better results you'll have as you start aging and things like that. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. Next, we have Phoenix, which is a facial oil, rosehip, sea buckthorn, deep renewal. And you use this in the morning and at nighttime. Oh, this is the oil. Okay, I've been seeing this everywhere, and I was like, what is this? So yeah, this is the Phoenix facial oil. Their packaging is so simplistic, but makes a powerful statement at the same time, and I love it. Cocoa Rose. This is the coconut oil body polish. This helps for deeply moisturizing. It's a gentle exfoliant. It has blends of virgin coconut oil, sugar, and delicately floral Moroccan rose absolute. So it just helps to make your skin soft. It has a very lightweight, delicate scent. So I can definitely smell the rose just coming off of the package. But this is what it looks like. Here's the texture right there. So yeah, I will definitely be using this very soon because I've been needing some type of body scrub lately. But yeah, this stuff came in right on time and I'm so happy. All right, with that being said, thank you so much for watching my PR haul. And a huge thank you to Briogeo Herbivore for giving me these lovely gifts. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm excited to try everything out. And once again, thank you to those of you who have supported me throughout my Sephora Squad journey. They will be announcing winners tomorrow. So no matter the results, thank you for your support, for your love, encouragement, your prayers. You guys are phenomenal. And this is who I do it for at the end of the day. Being a beauty influencer and advocate for the alopecia community is what I absolutely love to do. It is my passion, you know, because I live this life every single day. So once again, thank you for your support. God bless all of you. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you are new. Bye.